So a quick video, if any of you out there buy one of these 1,200-pound pizza ovens, there's nothing to grab it with. This is how you do it. You put some ice underneath and you back your forklift out, your Bobcat, your John Deere, whatever you have, whatever you're working with, and you wait for it to melt, and it should merge nicely with the structure that you put it on. So I thought I would make this because it's a perplexing challenge for some to figure out how to do this, I guess. So again, it's just blocks of ice. You can see for comparison, I have a 4x4, which is 3.5 inch square, and I made my blocks about the same, 4 inches blocks of ice. So just waiting for it to melt. I might make another video when it's perched. So there you have it.